In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents on WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll be comfortable sharing PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, and more right from your computer using either the attachment button or a simple drag and drop. Start by opening your browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the web interface. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection on both your computer and your phone so the session stays active. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a large QR code. Use your phone to scan that code so you're logged into the same account you use on mobile. Once the scan is successful, your chats will load in the browser, mirroring your conversations from your phone. Next, open the chat with the person or group you want to message. Double-check you're in the right conversation before attaching anything, especially if the document is sensitive or work-related. At the bottom of the chat, near the text box, look for the plus icon or the paperclip icon, typically on the left side. Click it to open the attachment menu. From the options, choose Document. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the file you want to send. This works for common formats like PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and many others. If you're sharing a large file, keep in mind that WhatsApp has a size limit, so very large attachments may need to be trimmed or exported to a smaller version first. After selecting your file, you'll see it appear in the chat window as an attachment. If you want, add a short caption for context, like a meeting name or version note, so the recipient knows exactly what they're receiving. When you're ready, click Send, the paper plane icon. You'll see an upload indicator while it sends, and then a timestamp once it's delivered. There's also a quick alternative if you prefer. First, find the file in your computer's folders. Use Finder on a Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Click and hold the document, then drag it directly into the open WhatsApp web chat window. When you drag it over the window, you'll see a drop area appear. Release the mouse to drop it in. You'll get the same preview screen where you can add an optional caption and review the file name. Then hit Send to share it with your contact or group. That's it. With these two methods, the attachment menu or drag and drop, you can send documents on WhatsApp Web quickly and confidently.